Let's do a night walk on the camera. Let's walk with folks. It's about 3:20 a.m. We had some rain overnight. About time. We only had a little over an inch for the month before this rain. Ground was really dry. It's been windy all day yesterday. That's not helping. Come on. Well, come on, Barkley. Don't be splitting around that tree. I like that. I can hear the crickets. Look at that moon up there. I don't know how much moon you can see with that camera. With this camera, the clouds are moving pretty good. We're heading north.